Oh, what the heck is the holdup? I'm never gonna make my 3 o'clock manicure. Oh, what's going on? Oh, it's the girls. Always doing good deeds and being model citizens. Oh, I'm so proud. I am so proud.
Take that, you monster! Eat my fist. I'm gonna teach you a lesson! You want another taste of...
Rippin', rappin', smashin', smoozin'!
Blossom, Buttercup, Bubbles, get down here right now.
Professor? Could you excuse us for just a second, Mr. Monster, sir?
Lick it, Flu.
What's going on, Professor? We're